I wanna do is see you turn into a Super Saiyan, a Super Saiyan. All I wanna see is a chance to be a Super Saiyan.
Ready? Yeah, let's do it.
Alright everybody, it's Teeky or aka Aaron. This is my buddy Chris. He's gonna guest star. As you can tell, we have 6 boxes here. A lot of booster packs, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So this will be probably a 6-part video. Yeah. We have a lot of cards to open up. So yeah, let's just jump right in. Let's get started.
Fuck it. Alright, what are we doing first? Dash pack?
Alright, so we're gonna do 1 dash pack and then do a dash pack at the end of the boxes.
Alright.
So go ahead.
Alright, cool.
Yes, first.
Let's do this. Hoping for that Goku.
I'm hoping for that Vegeta.
Boom. There
there it is.
Check that out.
Sleeve it. Sleeve it.
Oh, sleeve coming.
Right now. Alright.
Boom, $30. There we go.
My turn.
Let's see. See what you get.
Hopefully I get that Goku too. Oh, look.
Ginyu. What is it? Boom!
Boom! Another Goku.
There we go.
That is what I'm talking about.
Money.
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 Got all 4 that I need now. Alright, so let's open one of these boxes, shall we?
Take advantage of those pre-cuts.
Yep. Gotta pre-cut that stuff.
These things are hard to open.
Alright.
Go off the side.
So, open these bad boys up.
Alright, ladies first. All you.
Ooh. I do like being a lady.
Uh-oh.
Because I'm after that Vegito, I'm going to leave all the Vegito packs last, and because I hate Zamasu a lot. So yeah, so I'm going to open one and then I'll reevaluate my life afterwards.
Alright, come on, man.
I know.
Come on. Let's do this.
Alright. First one up. Here we go. Let's see what I can. Got Trunks. Got a leader. Vegeta. Goten. Whis. Mai. Big Getty Star. Pilaf. Piccolo's Health. Future Gohan. Needed that. And another leader of Vegito.
Leader. Alright, get that over there.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll go Zamasu first.
Ooh.
So let's see what we get. Pull this out. Alright, there we go. Boo. Shield. Vegeta. Got some Cell Juniors. Trunks Time Machine. Power of Mind. What's up? Robot. Got Lawsuit. Got that Boo. Got some more My Love. Ooh. Father Son. Galley Gun. It's pretty cool. And a Gohan. What's up?
Oh, come on.
Get that in a sleeve.
Sleeve it.
Yep.
Alright, we're gonna do another Zamasu for me. Open that bad boy up.
Got that Xeno.
That Xeno. Another leader. 18. Time Machine. Need one of those. I'm actually gonna set that off to the side. Supreme Kai. I'm at Old Kai, you know what I mean. Chilled. That guy. And another Goku. Gotta sleeve that bad boy.
Nice.
Alright, let's just continue on.
Alright, cool. Let's go. Oh, there's a Masu pack. Try and hope for that God pack, you know?
Shit.
Pulled one in the last set. Let's see if we get one in this set. Got a Boo. Got a Rose. What's up? 17. Time Machine. Android 20. Pretty good for Cell deck. Chilled. Trunks. Cell's Birth. Vegeta. This one's pretty on point. Get that combo. Comes out for free, essentially. 17, and I got a Chilled. Alright, your turn, bud.
Alright. Now that we kind of know what's in these, I'm probably going to go a lot faster, so. Got Frieza, Zamasu. There you go.
Yeah, a little lower.
A little lower. Oh, okay. Sorry, I got 2 cameras going here. Ooh, need one. Putting that off to the side. And then we got a Goku. Sleeve it. We're getting a lot of rare Gokus here.
Cool. Alright, my turn. Ooh, look at that. That was a clean cut. Alright, we got Cooler, Trunks, Gotenks. What's up? Big Eddie Star, Mafuba!
Need some of those.
Son Gohan, Shu, Bulma. That's what's up. Android 19. The Awakening. Boom. Ooh, another SR.
Ooh.
Golden Frieza.
I just sold one of those.
That one's pretty good. Got a sleeve on that right now.
By the way, do the shout out for Ink Gaming.
Yep, so we got this mat right here, custom mat. We got Aaron, Wizard of Photoshop.
Wizard of Photoshop.
10 hours of labor, took a bunch of images for me, and ended up creating this mat, and we got Nth Gaming. Shout out. It's a really good quality mat, machine washable. I've gotten several mats from them before.
It smells.
It does smell, so you need to wash it a couple times.
All right, moving on. Got that 18. Move on a little further. Oh, sorry, that's a liter. Ooh, need those. Sorry, but let me just put that on.
Yeah.
Xeno button.
Ooh.
There we go. Got that cooler.
Got that $1.50 SR.
Oh God, I should probably move down further.
Cooler,
Sorry.
not bad. Looks cool.
Yeah, it does.
Alright, my turn. Let's see, what do we got? Let's throw that off to the side. Let's see. We got a Trunks, got a cooler leader, Vegeta, Hercule, Mafuba, cooler. Yeah, you could retake that.
Yeah, I am.
Supreme Kai, Chilled, Mai, boom, Gohan, another SR, man. That's what's up.
Nice,
Maybe all my
nice.
SRs are on top. Let's get a sleeve on that bad boy.
All right, moving on. Oops.
That's 3 SRs so far for me.
Yeah, must be nice. Now, got that Frieza, TN, Body Mind
Body,
Control. That's what I'm talking about. Goku. Super Ghost coming, classic
Yep.
attack. That's what I'm talking about.
Pretty good.
Ring. There we go. Needed one of those bad boys. Trying to make that Vegito deck. Kind of like
Not
everyone
bad,
else.
not bad. TN, pretty good TN right there. Alright. Let's see if I get all my SRs on top. Alright, cool. We got Trunks as a leader, TN, really good card. Salza, Supreme Old Kai, some Gohan, Cell, Trunks, 16, Pilaf, got Mighty Mask, Gohan, and a Vegeta, a Mod Vegeta. Actually, kind of wish that was a little bit better, but it looks cool as hell.
Yeah, it does. Oh, look at that. Future clones. I bet you guys don't look at it. Leader. Boom. Boom. I'm not even going to read these anymore. I'm just going to keep going down the row. We got,
Oh,
we got
that's
a lot of cards.
17, 18 back to back.
Yeah.
That's dope. Xeno button.
Ooh, another Frieza. Ain't worth much, but hey, still shiny.
Something.
It's a rare. I like how you're getting all the super rares.
Hey man, like I said, all my SRs are probably on top. So,
I'm done with the Zamasus. Now moving on to Cell.
cool. Alright, got the next one. I got a Vegito packs. Throw that off to the ground. Make the wife pick it up later. Alright, boo. Trunks. Hercule. Mafuba.
You might as well just hand that
There's
off.
another
There
cooler
it
for
is.
you. This dude needs like 15 coolers.
15, I need 25.
Okay, my bad. I was being modest. Alright,
being modest.
Now we got a Frieza. Alright, your turn.
Alright. Oh, Jesus.
You gotta keep them
Dropping
up, man.
stuff.
Don't drop.
Alright.
Don't drop
Ooh,
the
that was
soap.
a clean cut.
Don't drop the soap.
Don't drop the soap. Don't drop the soap. Alright. Spirits. Man, nobody cares. Cell.
I'm gonna kill you with that card.
Oh, yeah. I'd like to see you try. What I'm talking about. Oh, yeah. I got a
Nope, there you
Kale.
go.
That's what I'm talking
There's a
about.
Kale.
Why am I not getting it in the camera? I am sorry.
There's your SR.
Yeah, there it is.
That's cute.
That's my waifu.
Oh. Alright, ready, my turn?
Yep.
Alright, you got another pack coming. Boom. Alright, let's do this. Yeah, Vegito leader, not bad, not bad.
Yeah. I got like 3 of them now.
Aren't you cool?
I like to be here. I'm just scoot closer to you because I want to be closer.
Oh, okay, that's fine. We're not drunk yet.
Yeah. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. Sorry, let me just put that on the side so you guys can see.
I had one of those.
Oh, you had one? Gee, thanks.
Yep, no problem.
Ooh, you need that too. So.
Oh, look at you.
Yeah!
Got
That's what
that
I'm talking
SR.
about! Sorry,
Show it
I'm
off,
showing
show it off.
You guys on SPR, oh well.
I don't know, man. We got a lot of boxes,
Yeah, we
so we'll see.
going after that secret rare. I mean,
Wow.
yeah, we already have the secret rare, but
Oh yeah, way to be modest.
I give a damn. I paid for it.
Shout out to eBay.
eBay! eBay with that $15 off!
Yeah, that was a steal.
Yeah, it was.
The Wasu, that's what's
Instead
up.
of paying 120, I paid 65.
Oh, that's not bad. Little leader action there, little leader.
Yeah, it is. Alright, moving on. Do this shit. I mean, poop. Oh my god. Boom. No one cares about you. Please.
Oh, I see an SR. I see an SR.
Oh,
I gotta go on.
there it is.
That looks dope. That looks pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
How cool is it?
Pretty cool.
You're not good at this game.
Put it off there.
If you're wondering why we keep looking up, because we're trying to make sure it's in the center.
And Vegeta. That's why we're just aiming for this area right here.
Rest her soul.
Oh. Oh. R.I.P. R.I.P.
R.I.P. Okay. Really?
Ah. I had one of those. Mafuba.
Mafuba.
So cool to say.
Ooh. Okay.
Oh, watch out. Oh, another SR. Look at that. Did you show them? Did you show the kind people?
I'm working.
Yeah. Yeah, show the people.
I am. Well, this was easier in my room, okay?
Oh, yeah, you're by yourself being a freaking crab. A fucking hermit crab.
Whatever, man.
Alright. Let's see. Let's get this pack open. Boom, boom.
Oh, I thought you dropped a card. Like, really?
No, I didn't drop
Really,
a
guy?
card. Nice.
hand it over.
There's the cooler. That's all
I love how
you.
you're getting all the coolers and I'm, like, not.
Well, maybe it's a sign.
Yeah, I'm not letting you do it. Already pulled the SP.
Cheerios, what's up? Could always use more. Could always use more.
Yeah, right.
This guy's a beater.
Tell them about your awesome trade you made for your secret rare.
My Vegito today? Traded 4 promo foil hits for a secret rare Vegito.
Don't need that anymore. Yeah, this guy. Didn't have to pay a cent.
Nope. But I had to make it worth it, guys.
Oh, there you go.
Worth
There's
the
your
guy's
leader.
time.
Is that the leader you're looking for?
Yeah, I mean, I'm probably going to end up pulling one, so.
I'll put it up to the side just in case.
Oh, this guy starting trades.
Yeah. Never know.
Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That
So
one's
clean.
nice.
Super clean.
Hopefully it's something good.
Unless it's a Vegito. Yeah, and if it's good, then we can make a simple trade.
See, no button. That's what's up. Yeah, I'll put you on the side over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, this guy needs it.
I kind of need that.
Look at that. Boom. You know what? I'm not even going to put it in the sleeve. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Look at that.
Ooh.
Ooh, fancy.
Hope I pull another SPR version of it. That'd be dope.
Yeah, that would be dope. Because you're the only one that wants it.
I know. Alright.
So in case you guys have noticed, he's looking for Vegito and cooler stuff. This guy's looking for some cell action. So
Like that?
like that.
There you
just
go.
like that.
You can make the trade right here, right now.
Yeah. Trade after.
Oh, yeah. We can maybe make a video on that one.
Yeah. 'Cause who knows? I may end up pulling like 5. I mean, I really only need 4. But we'll see.
Guys, we are like halfway through 2 boxes.
Okay, only 4 more to go. And Vegito.
Boom.
Okay. Okay.
I'll give you your cell. It's okay.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Perfect trade.
Okay,
Perfect trade. Rare for rare.
I'll give your sleeve back.
Why?
Scratch it. I'm also looking for Zamasu stuff as well.
Oh, look, I got a
Look at that.
Zamasu.
Look at that.
Alright.
I make that god deck.
Your god deck against my beer's god deck was yours.
That's fine.
Alright.
We'll see who wins.
Am I even in it? Okay, cool.
I don't know. Are you?
I don't know. You're supposed to be my camera guy.
Oh, am I supposed to look as you go?
Yeah.
Well, then that looks weird. Alright, okay, you're fine. You're fine.
There you go. Look, another Zamasu.
Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh, shiny.
Fancy.
I like the bait.
Let's see if we get another clean open. Ah, halfway get up. Loser. Yeah, whatever. No.
Ooh.
Not bad, not bad.
That's not the promo.
Yeah, true.
Redrop it. Oh yeah, clean.
Hey.
Alright.
My wife's gonna hate me.
Not my problem. Look, it kind of is.
Yeah, if you want to keep doing this.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's what I need.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not even in the center, and you're not even helping me here.
I told you, aim for this, man,
I'm
right
working
here.
on it.
See, this is a sweet spot. That's why it's called the energy area. It's where you revitalize yourself.
Want to keep rubbing there? Tell them why.
Energy area.
Energy area.
Yeah, good luck. The ball down there.
So we hope.
So we hope. However you draw it.
Roll 34. Send it
Oh,
over.
look at that.
See, I haven't got a single one of these in my.
Maybe it's a sign, man.
I'm not. Uh-oh.
Oh, cool. That's cool. You guys want to see? Oh, little Goku rare action.
Alright. This time I'll aim for the money spot.
Money spot.
Money spot.
Yeah, just start like right here. Right here in the armpit.
Well, I'm doing this
Go
way.
across the coochie
Yeah, well, I'm going to do opposite what you
to
do.
the cleavage. Hey man, whatever works. Whatever works.
Booyah.
Boom, boom. Yamcha, what's up? Yamcha, Yamcha.
MVP!
MVP. That's the next guy to get Limit Breaker.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Limit Break Yamcha.
Limit Break Yamcha.
Not enough. Xenoverse 2 made him like a super powerful
Oh
villain
yeah, that
version.
mission was annoying as hell.
Ah, okay. No more band-aid for me.
As long as you don't bleed on my mat, man. That's not cool. Right, armpit. Right here, see armpit? Boom, Rose. Cell. Kibora, Cell. Goten. Yes. My. Yamcha.
MVP.
16. Videl, Time Ring, and
Oh, damn it.
a leader. See, I never need your leader anymore.
Oh,
you
you know
see
what?
that?
Whatever.
Yeah, I got my leader right here.
Alright. Alright, we got leaders that I always throw off to the side. Booyah. 20. For some mine. And we got that.
Ooh, what's that?
There we go. We're gonna do it this way too.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, see?
Isn't that going to be the little part?
Yeah, probably, but you know what? That's okay. This is still a work in progress here.
Work in progress. Alright, my turn. Let's open. Oh, crummy cut.
Failure.
Oh, that's fine. Let's see. Goku, bottom 17. So, there we go.
There you go.
2 more.
Dos.
Dos más.
Clean cut. Booyah.
Ooh,
Upside down.
That's fine. It's technically upside down for us, for them to see.
That's true. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. I've wanted one of these.
Ooh,
The art on this is
that's pretty.
phenomenal.
Look at that. He looks cool.
And that's getting sleeved right away.
But yeah,
See, now I gotta look at my blue deck.
a boo deck.
That'd be dope.
That'd be pretty dope. Let's see. Some bobbity action right here.
It's got the man with the plan.
Goku Black. There's my Yamcha.
MVP. MVP.
And some chilled. Look at that.
That's not chilled.
My bad. King Cold.
There you go.
My bad. Don't crucify me. Edit that out.
Edit that up. It's not gonna be edited. Don't care. Deborah.
Next time you fuck up, I'm gonna call it.
Call him out.
That's not Deborah. That's a Demon King.
Oh, look. Hey guys, I got chilled. I'm kidding. It's fucking King Cold.
King Cold, dumb one.
You dummy.
Dumb twat. I'll just call him a kumquat.
Ew.
Ew.
On my Vegito packs now. We already need more sleeves.
Oh,
I'm
Would've
stealing
thought.
some of your sleeves.
who would have thought?
Who would have thunk?
Ooh.
Rose.
Rose action.
Sleeve it.
Need 2 more of those bad boys. You really are still in some of my sleeves.
I told you I was.
Technically, they're all my sleeves to begin with.
Oh, whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 6 more packs. Technically 12 if you count his. Booyah. Clean cut. Oh, okay. Want to do this? Fine. Here you go. You need style? Let me move down here and you can go up there.
Nah, you can do yours. That just means I open mine when you open yours. Should I cheat? Should I look?
Ooh, sword of hope.
Ooh.
God damn, I'm really bad at this. Damn, in the way.
Ah, that's alright, man. That screen needs to be bigger.
Well, it is going to be the bigger screen.
Get out of here, man.
I want to touch everything.
Mafuba. Is that a galley gun? Didn't they do a Final Flash together?
We don't speak. Just keep going.
Anyways, that would have been dope if it was the Final Flash. That's some Zamasu action. They did do the Final Flash, because then Goku did his own Kamehameha. Oh, sorry, spoiler. Own Kamehameha and did the exact same amount of damage.
Alright.
It's kind of weird.
Hell yeah.
Ooh, we got first one!
First blood!
MVP!
Okay, there we go. Take that.
That's cute.
It is cute.
First one, and I pulled what, 4th?
Don't care. You know what? Fight me.
Fight you. Nah, man.
Nah, fam. I'm good.
Nah, girl. Nah, girl. 18.
Oh, suck it, dude. Really?
Ooh, look at that. Look at that.
I'm going to take that off your hands.
Look at that. Look at that.
I hate you.
Let me sleeve that bad girl. I mean, bad boy.
Whatever. Take your shit.
Dang, that's cool. Did you guys see that?
Look at that. Let's go do the small screen here.
I don't give a fuck.
There. Yeah.
Yeah, but let me see armpit.
Alright.
So that's an SPR.
I'm going to need that from you, by the way.
That's what's up.
Ooh, wow.
Oh.
I was like, ooh. No, it's a leader. Lame.
Alright.
You want a Zamasu leader anyway, don't you?
Yeah, but I may pull one. I got 2 more boxes.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, I already got my SPR.
Yeah. Must be yours. I'm gonna try to steal that from you later.
That's fine.
Oh.
Oh, look at that! Look at that! I got my leader!
Oh, yeah, you're cool.
Oh.
Get out of here. Clean cut. That's what I'm talking about.
This is gonna be awesome, dude. It's gonna look like like a
Oh, I need one of those. Hey, is this King Cold? Huh? No.
baby King Cold.
Baby King.
It's chilled, asshole.
I
My
know.
bad. They all look the same.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do. They're like.
He looks like he has a jumper on.
Yeah, he does look like a kid. That's kind of cute.
And he speaks like this. I'm very serious.
Upgrade series. Shit's awesome.
I don't need it. I can't wait till they make a Hercule leader. I'm gonna make a Hercule deck.
Ooh, Trunks. Ooh.
Wow, that was lame.
Trunks actually pretty good.
Certain ones.
Well, that one's actually pretty good because it searches out a Vegeta for you.
Yeah, baby.
Ooh, the second one.
MVP.
Yeah, you choose one
Oh,
Goku
okay.
or
I got-
Vegeta.
Yeah, I can read that too.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Cost 3 or less and put it in your hand. Not bad, not bad. Not bad.
The way I'm stacking this is horrible.
Yeah.
The box looks like it's overflowing. Someone's dumb and put it over there and not in front of me.
Nah, it's okay.
What's your last pack?
No, got one more after this.
Oh, this is my last one
Well,
right
you
here.
went first, so it makes sense.
Well, I guess the next video you go first.
Okay. Goku.
Last pack of this box. And then he'll be the last pack of the video.
God pack. God pack.
God pack. Yeah, God pack. Ooh, number 3.
Oh, no
Lame.
SPRs.
I know, my box was a jit.
Alright. God pack.
You.
No, I'm just
I was
kidding.
like, you said-
In case you guys don't know what a God pack is, it's if you have a foil, so a rare on your top, every card in that pack is either a rare or higher. I pulled 1. It was pretty dope. What, man? Someone has to.
Oh wait, no, this isn't the last pack. We got our
Oh, we got our dash pack still.
got one more dash pack to open.
It's okay. Look at that. Go Tigs. Look at that.
All right, come on. Well, if I get Cell, he's got to get it. So, but that means I can get your SPR. Oh, I got a Vegito.
Well, that's pretty dope.
About. Not that I'm ever going to use this one, but
I will. Alright, let's see. Let's go for another Goku, man. That's where the money is. That's where the money is.
oh, you got a seriously?
Guess what I got? A Vegito as well.
Well, well, well. Well, that's
Look at that, he's kicking.
yeah.
Hit him in the face. Cool.
Well, guys, that's part 1 of 3. We're gonna continue on and regroup.
Yeah, we'll be here for about 2 hours.
Probably.
Yeah.